everyone, I am Anjana, founder of Hakuna Matata Club. Hakuna Matata Club has always been child friendly and a platform to socialize. I can proudly say, being a passionate preschool teacher, we were all restricted to field trips, art classes and theatre plays, so on. So along with my very close friends, my well-wishers and family, of course, we started Hakuna Matata Club. We started telling stories at the park. We had exclusive dance party for children and various other classes at our library. We began at library, and from there on our journey started. So when I did my master's in child mental health, my thoughts became more concrete on saying that the children need such environment more than any therapy, and children need children around, some learning environment, so much fun. And that's where we continued with this journey of Hakuna Matata Club. And then we realized the mothers who used to drop their children, they needed activities, the dads needed activities, and definitely our children were growing up, and we started with teen adventure camp and lots more. So it became a platform for any age group. So that's where Hakuna Matata stands for. And we started collaborating with many other organizations for which would definitely give something to the society. So that's where we went on, and I, being a mother, I definitely wanted my child to have an exposure of real people, real world out there, rather than just the screen time or the idiot box which we usually say. So definitely my daughter, I would want her to experience human experience, I could say, and that's where we are here to give a pleasurable learning experience for children and for all age group. So if you want to get in contact with us, you can always contact the number written on the screen, and our social media page on Facebook, Insta with Hakuna Matata Club. And yes, looking forward to meet you all, interact, and Hakuna Matata.